Well, hello everybody, welcome to Coding 101. Welcome to another episode of Coding 101 where we solve basic questions with the most basic kind of programming so that you can just get a hold of what programming is all about. And of course, we're going to be solving another problem today, and this one is about the PowerN. That's what we're going to be doing. Let's just get a little bit of information about what that is all about. So given base and n that are both 1 or more, compare recursively, no loops, the value of base to the n power. So power n 32 is 9 3 squared. So you know this. I think you know this. It doesn't need much more explaining, I think. But if you don't understand it, I'd be happy to explain. Just leave a comment on the comment section. So we're just gonna say base and we're gonna use base and n as our parameters. So this is just indices. And then we're gonna just say if n is equals to 0, you know what happens? Anything to the power 0 is 1. Return 1. Else, n is equals to 1. Return the number, which is the base. Then we're going to say else. What do you return? Return base, times power n. I'm going to just say base n minus 1. So we're having a bit of trouble with my minus sign, so I'm just going to go over here. So for now, let's just pretend that this is a minus sign. N minus 1, and that's all we need to do. So let's just test that, put power n and just put 3 and 2 over there. It should give us a 9, I think. I was supposed to put print over here. Did I close that bracket? There you go. Of course, you can keep testing this with whatever number that you can think of, whatever numbers that you can think of. And I can guarantee you it will definitely work. So thank you so much again for watching. Make sure you subscribe, leave a comment on the comment section, and like this video if you enjoyed it. Until then, I will see you next time on Coding 101.